Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram music desk not showing on your story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application and I'm going to show you how the music desk looks like. If you want to add music desk easily, you can go to the music option right here and then you can choose the music you want to add to your Instagram. And I'm just going to pick random music, for example this one, and as you can see guys that the music desk has been added to my story. Or you can also select the sticker option and then you will be able to select music right here, and then the music desk will be added to your Instagram story. But if this music desk hasn't appeared on your Instagram, I recommend you to go to your Play Store or Apple Store to update your Instagram. Go to the Play Store and then search for the Instagram application right here. Like this, and then make sure you have updated your Instagram application on your mobile phone. And as you can see, my Instagram has been up to date, so I don't need to update it. And if this trick still doesn't work on your phone, I recommend you to go to your setting and then you can clear the cache or clear the app data of your Instagram. You can go to your settings on your mobile phone and then you're going to go to the apps menu or the app setting. Okay, and then you're going to search for the Instagram application. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, then you're going to search for the Instagram application on your mobile phone. For your information, this is an Android phone, so maybe this tab will be a little different with the iPhone, but basically you need to clear the cache or the app data of your Instagram. I'm going to click on my Instagram and then I'm going to go to the storage. Okay, and as you can see guys, I have large data on my Instagram and I'm going to clear the cache first. If you want to clear cache, you can click on clear cache, but if you want to clear the data, you can click on clear data. Okay, and once you clear the data of your Instagram application, all of the Instagram application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, account, and database. But don't worry guys, because you will be able to log in again and you will get back your data on your Instagram. So I'm going to click on delete. Okay, and now the data of my Instagram has been deleted and you just need to go back to your Instagram and then log into your Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix the Instagram music desk not showing problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.